So, what is photosynthesis? It's fundamentally the bioenergetic process. Plants take light energy and convert it into chemical energy, mainly inside the chloroplasts. Think of these like highly efficient little biological factories. It all starts when photons are absorbed and water molecules get split to release the electrons we need. It's the foundational step for this entire cycle. Now it relies on some very precise inputs and outputs. It starts when carbon dioxide from the air enters through the stomata, which basically act like intelligent light-sensitive shutters. Inside the leaf, we get photolysis. That's a critical reaction where water gets oxidized into protons, electrons, and oxygen. And that oxygen? Well, it's released as a byproduct, which is what sustains life for all of us. We break this whole thing down into two parts: the light reactions, which happen in the thylakoid membranes, and the dark reactions, or the Calvin cycle, inside the stroma. It's here that radiant energy gets transformed into those essential little energy carriers, ATP and NADPH. They then power the complex gears of the Calvin cycle to finally synthesize glucose, our ultimate organic product. If you look at the balanced chemical equation, it tells us that 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 12 water molecules yield 1 molecule of glucose, plus 6 molecules of oxygen and 6 more of water. This reaction forms the absolute base of our global biological pyramid. It's the primary producer for every ecosystem, and honestly, it acts as the essential life support system for our entire planet. Listen, to really master this for your NEET exam, you need to focus on high-yield topics. Things like photophosphorylation pathways and the catalytic activity of rubisco during carbon fixation are key. Review these concepts, all the time. Cross-reference them with your syllabus and keep your notes super organized. You do that, and you'll be completely ready to tackle any question that pops up on those boards.